My name is Miss Preschool. Let's learn numbers and math. Welcome to the math world. Learn colors while doing Miss Preschool's hair. This is the color blue, like blueberries. Miss Preschool wants blue. This is the color yellow, like a banana. Put the flowers in their places. This is the color red, like a strawberry. Can you match the colors? Yellow, yellow. It's getting harder. Blue, red, blue, yellow, yellow. Now let's wash her hair. Apply shampoo, please. Now, rinse it. Use the hair dryer. Choose the red brush and brush your hair. Now use the yellow scissors. Yellow. Brush it one more time. Make it curly. Let's add some color. Choose the pink one. This is the color green, like a leaf on a tree. It's time to clean it up. Put green items into the green box. Can you match the colors? Green, green, blue, blue, green. It's getting harder. Red, 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 blue, 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 green, green, green. Yay! Good job! Miss Preschool looks great, and now you know your colors. Welcome to the math world. Let's bake cupcakes for a tea party. Add flour, please. Great! Great! Add butter and eggs. Mix everything together. Pour some milk, please. Good job! Now look at the shape of the cupcake liner and put it into the right. It's getting harder. Circle, triangle, square. Great! One more time. Square. Triangle, triangle, circle. Yay! Good job! You are so smart. Now fill the liners, please. Let's bake it. Very good. Slice the fruits, please. Cupcakes are done. Spray some red strawberry cream. Now the green one. Green. Great! Now spray some yellow banana cream. Finish it with the matching toppings, please. Yay! Good job! Cupcakes are done. Welcome to the math world. Let's put on makeup. First, apply the face mask. Wait for a few minutes. While waiting, let's learn some math. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1. Yay! Excellent! Now apply the eyeliner, please. One plus 1 equals 2. Apply mascara, please. One plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. Let's see what you've learned. Yay! Stupendous! Now apply the eyeshadow. Looks pretty. Now add some glitter. And lipstick for a perfect finish. And for the last time, 2 plus 1 equals... Yay! Good job! You are so smart. Welcome to the math world. Can you clean the mess? Mop the floor. Good job! Can you vacuum the bed? Learn to identify numbers. 1. Great! Now you have 2 pillows. 1, 2. Once again. 1, 2. Yay! You are so smart. Drag the pillow to the right place. 1, 2, 3. This one is tough. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Very good. Kitty's bed is done. Help Miss Preschool to clean the window. Put flower pots where they belong. 2. 1. Excellent! Use your finger to drag the block with the number 1 into the box. Now find the block with the number 2. 2, 2, 2. Good job! Drag the block with the number 3. 3. Good job! Welcome to the math world. Click the basket to begin. Separate colored clothes from the white one. Red, purple, purple, white, pink, pink, white, blue, red. Open the washing machine. Put the clothes into the washing machine. Close it. Put powder detergent into the first drawer. Fill the second drawer with liquid softener. Fill in the missing spot. Where should I hang it? Good job! Do you see the pattern? What comes next? Do you see the pattern? You are so smart! Welcome to the math. Hi, my name is Miss Preschool. Let's learn numbers and math.